Hello guys, thank you for being here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a video of how to put on properly the artificial or J-pull leg. Please stay tuned and let's do this together. This one is called a leg liner and it has a pin. At the moment it's inside out. This side is the one that goes direct on the skin, and as you're putting this on, you make sure there is no air between the skin and this liner. This one here, it's a dummy leg. It's an artificial leg itself. It has a socket inside, which is a hole for locking and unlocking the pin, so they hook this together, the liner and this socket, to fit on the leg. Here comes two sock liners. These ones are put on top of the black rubber, the black silicone rubber liner. And this one acts as a liner too. It's between the black silicone liner and the artificial leg itself. Gently roll up the trousers and make sure the skin is clean and dry. There is no water or any dust on the skin. You put on the other shoe on the other leg, because we are putting on this artificial leg to make it look like we have both legs, functional legs. So yes, we need to put on shoes on both feet so that as you go out there and walk, people might not really tell the difference, especially if you are wearing trousers or long pants like in this case. You turn this rubber liner inside out, and as you start putting on the skin, you make sure there is no air trapped between the liner and the skin. Roll the liner up your skin using your thumbs and your fingers. Please avoid using your nails, as this can create a hole in the liner. Next is the prosthetic socks. This helps to give the patient a snug fit in case of temperature changes. And to have the proper prosthetic socks, you better keep the sock wrinkle free and make sure it's all aligned straight on the liner. The proper socks to have is determined by your practitioner. Make sure the socks are properly fitting and straight on the skin. Make sure there are no wrinkles. Now insert the liner in the socket. You make sure you align this together, and if it's properly done, you will hear 2 clicks. The 2 clicks shows everything is properly fitted. Now roll back or pull back your trousers, or the client's trousers, and help the client sit ready to stand up and walk. Thank you for being with me here and watching the entire video. If you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button and give me some love. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. It was a pleasure having you with me here, and bye bye. Take care and be safe.